they're falling asleep mid-bite. It's probably not safe. Notice his half-eaten nugget in his hand. Oh, honey. Tired babies. Oh, he dropped it.